Globe Chemical Company presents installing Zing on top of your present floor. We're going to show you how to install Zing on top of any floor that has floor finish on it. The objective is to remove the dirt from the finish without removing the finish. First, place your wet floor signs. Then spray Zing Dust Control, one spray for each 6-inch length of mop on a microfiber flat mop. Then dust mop to remove loose dust and dirt. Next, add 8 ounces of floor prep to each gallon of cold water in a mop bucket. Mop the floor prep on the floor. Apply floor prep heavily. We want the floor prep to work to pull the dirt out of the finish. So be sure to keep the floor wet during this entire process. We want the floor prep to sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. Floor prep will cleanse the dirt without removing the finish. Next, attach a standard black strip head to a low-speed floor machine. And then work the machine over the floor slowly, covering the entire area. Again, what we're doing is floor prep will remove the dirt without removing the finish. Now pick up the dirty solution. Use a wet vac or automatic scrubber. Now add 2 ounces of floor prep to each gallon of cold water in a mop bucket. And then rinse the floor. Make sure all the residue is off before continuing. And allow the floor to air dry. Next, apply floor finish using the floor finish dispensing valve. Apply finish to the edges first. And the rest of the floor. Microfiber flat mop will make nice even passes.